Okay, let me explain the difference between Botox and Juvederm. The way I like to think of it is sort of cutting the face in half. Botox is really good for the upper face, and Juvederm is really good for the lower face. Botox, teeny tiny little injections that take away the mean, ugly expression lines. So your frowny lines, or what's technically called the 11s, where you get these deep creases in the brow, expression lines that make you look like you're unhappy or angry. People ask about crow's feet, the little fine lines around the outside, the sort of place where the arm of the sunglass goes. Botox will work there, but it's much more subtle. So we usually try to get people to get the most for their money by putting the Botox, getting the most bang for their buck, and putting it in the brow to lift and separate the eyebrows to get a really awake, alert look, or in the forehead to get rid of the nasty horizontal coast-to-coast lines. Juvederm, what it does really well is it fills the deeper lines in the lower face. Juvederm is a synthetic version of hyaluronic acid. That is a naturally occurring substance in the skin that plumps things up. So I like to call it nature's spackle. It kind of fills in those creases, fills in the deep lines around the face. Allergan, the maker of Juvederm, promotes that it lasts up to 12 months. But what we see in practice is that it really lasts much longer than that. And a lot of times when we go to re-inject somebody, there's evidence that their old Juvederm is still working for them.
Botox, especially once you've been doing it routinely, is a really quick procedure. I sometimes call it lunchtime Botox because you can come in, quickly get your procedure done, and be out the door within 15 minutes. Fillers take a little bit longer, but still can be done in a short amount of time. And we do require some topical anesthetic first, and then we do the injections, and after icing you for a short period of time. It is a little bit longer than Botox, but still a very quick procedure. Botox has very little discomfort. I tell people it feels like a little bee sting as you get the injections. It's very tolerable for everybody.